this old cat. Same one we saw last winter. Yeah, the rust is eating it alive. Check the hydraulics, they look seized. On it, the blade's not much better. Engine seized, rust everywhere. Hydraulics are shot, leaks. Chassis is weak, this will be tough. Blade looks fixable. All right, let's get this hood open. Whoa, look at the rust on this block. Radiator's bent bad, hoses are cracked, battery terminals are corroded, wiring shot. Now, watch the swing. Holding steady, good to go. This rust is deep, keep the sparks clear. Move to the front panel now. Careful, panel free. Panels align, starting the weld, looks good, keep steady. Blade crack is prepped, sealing it now. The repaired metal aligns perfectly. All right, get the old shocks out, let's get the suspension rebuilt right. Copy that, new spring's ready to go in. Good, pack the bearings and get the brakes on. All torqued, she's solid. All right, let's get this bracket aligned. Good, now torque it to spec. Connect the hose, watch solid, let's test it. Good, connecting hoses and wires, almost done. All right, radiator first, lift on 3, copy that. 1, 2, 3, hand me that clamp. Here, tightening now. Let's get this mounted. Alignment looks good. Tightening the lugs now. That should hold. Let's lower it. All right, reconnecting the main power feed. Grounds are secure, checking continuity. Ignition on, dashboard is live. Lights are perfect, we're good to go. All right, initiating lift on the hydraulic blade. Copy, watching for smooth extension. Lift complete, now lowering. Descent is good, no issues.